Hey, who wants to go snowboarding?
Me! Me!
Let's go. All right, I figured I'd make a quick video about how I taught my kids how to snowboard and some of the basics and tips and tricks I've learned along the way. So one of the first things you do is see if your kid's regular or goofy. And the best way to do that is the slide technique. So you kind of just run across your floor and then slide, and then whichever foot they have forward when they slide is if they're goofy or regular. Do you want to practice, show that, Jackson, quick?
Yeah.
So then run and then slide across the floor. So he's left foot forward, so that is regular. If he had a right foot forward, that would be goofy. So it's good to know before you go. Another good tip is find out which resort you want to go to. We're lucky because we have a bunch of resorts close by, probably 6 or 7 within 30 minutes radius. So a good way is just to look at lift ticket. I look at prices, so you can definitely spend over $100 some on lift tickets for the 3 of us. Otherwise, you can see what kind of deals they have or what resorts have a cheaper option. So tonight we're going, the 3 of us, for $20. So it's a night session and it's a smaller resort. So that is where we're heading tonight. So it's a good way to do it. Also, you'll be more busier on the weekends compared to the weeknights. So we like it when it's not as busy. So there's not as many people on the bunny hill. So we're going tonight. So it shouldn't be very busy. And then the other thing I look for is if it has a magic carpet or not, right? You guys like riding magic carpets? That is definitely the easiest way for a beginner to get up the hill. So look for a magic carpet. We'll show you later what a magic carpet is, but all right, should we get going?
Yeah.
All right. All right, we got our boards and our boots and all our winter stuff on. So the equipment we use, got snowboards, of course, but if it's your first time, you'll probably just want to rent to see how big of a board your kid might need, but I would definitely suggest buying your own. It saves money in the long run, and you don't have to wait in line to rent boards and all that stuff. So that's why I did it. You can go on the Facebook rummage, and we got boots. So we got Burton boots. I think those are like $25. They each got boots. Those boots run a little small, so we got 1 or 2 sizes bigger. And then when it comes to buying boards, you'd think you'd want to buy bigger boards, but so they can grow into. But the smaller boards are a lot easier for them to learn and being able to maneuver. So what are you riding? You're riding a 110, so it's measured in centimeters. So how old are you?
7.
7. He's 7. He rides that 110. He rode it last year. He'll ride it this year, probably next year as well. And then how old are you?
5.
5. He rides this. No, he rides at 90. So that fits him well. He'll ride that. He rode that last year, and he probably will ride that next year as well. So the smaller ones are definitely easier to control. So it makes learning a lot easier. So you guys ready to hit the hill?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and also helmets. Definitely get helmets because snow and ice is hard and they'll definitely fall, and might as well be safe. I think we got those on Amazon for $30. Otherwise, most resorts rent them. So yeah, let's hit the road. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. All right, we made it to the ski hill. It's a little windy. So what, step 1, you put your front foot in the binding. And then the back one, what do you do? How do you get to the chairlift, the lift? You just put your foot behind you, and then you kind of just skate your way to the left. Alrighty. Alright, here is what we're talking about, the magic carpet. Easiest way for a beginner to get up the hill. So you kind of skate your way up there, push. You try. Ready? Yeah. All right. She's moving. You guys having fun? You guys ready to go? So what? You just keep your balance when you're riding up the magic carpet here. All right. get to the top here. So you just want to ride it off. Don't try to move your feet. Just ride her off. Ready? Nice job. And then once you stop, you skate away. Oh gosh. Take your time. So you skate away until you find a nice little spot to sit down. And then what? Strap up your board. There you go. All right, so you got your board on. What's the easiest way to get up? So yeah, go to your knees and then stand up. There you go. Nice. Then turn your board and then head on down the hill. All right, so your first time down, you're gonna wanna get yourself into position, and then I usually hold my kid's hand, and then we're gonna go down. So go down and then stop heel side. So you lift your toes up and then you stop with your heels. So that's the easiest way to get down the hill for beginners. So let's make our way. Ready? Let's make our way down. Hold my hand and then you go a little bit and then you stop. There you go. Go a little bit and stop. You never want to get going too fast. You got to stay in control. Ready? And then stop. Go a little bit and then stop. There you go. So once they get a little more used to it, they can start doing it by themselves. Go a little bit and then stop. There you go. That's all right. If you fall, it happens. So that's kind of the way I taught them to, go a little bit and then stop and then just do it heel side. So they stay in control while they go down the hill. All right, then once they start getting the hang of that, just have them go down by themselves. But stay close. Make sure the main goal is just to not get out of control. You don't want them going too fast and not being able to stop and hurting themselves. So go a little bit and stop. Go a little bit and stop. When you're turning your board like that, you got to keep your toes up so you don't catch an edge. No, that's all right. Keep practicing. So once they know how to turn and stop and then get up on their own, they can kind of just go on their own. But yeah, it's fun once they get the hang of it and you can go on to the bigger runs and even do chair lifts. So hey, you want to go on some bigger runs?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. fun?
Yeah.
All right, well, we're heading home. It's a fun day in the hill. Just keep it fun and have the kids enjoy it. It's always a good day when the kids want to snowboard again after a long day of snowboarding. You guys want to snowboard next week?
Yeah.
All right. Well, good. Thanks for watching, and see you in the hill.